Country of origin: China. Strong, sturdy construction. Package dimensions: 6 6L×26, 2H×24, 6W cm. Product type: sound and recording equipment. SKAC50. The Accu-Cable SKAC10 is a 10-foot, 16-gauge audio signal cable and power cord combo. Ideal for users looking to creating a clean, all-in-one signal and power cable combo, set up from a DJ mixer, or audio console, to a powered speaker. Signal cable: shielded 3-pin male XLR to 2-pin female XLR. Power cable: 120 volts AC 3-prong Edison to IEC input. Create a clean setup from a mixing board to a powered speaker with the signal and power cord combined together in a durable rubber casing. Top reviews from the United States. Looks great, works great. Was tired of multiple cables going to the high ends. One heavy-duty cable looks so much neater. No problems so far after about 30 uses. Surprisingly good. I was expecting to have some noise in the audio line from the AC cable in close proximity and parallel to the audio line for 10 feet, but there was none. The only complaint is the outer jacket is thicker than it needs to be, so the coiled cable takes up a bit of room in the cable case than I would have liked. Other than that, the cable performs well and is made well. The good price was a bonus.